Following up on our demo of the Journal Creator software, we mentioned that you could import the PDF that it creates for you and upload it to Canva or into Adobe Acrobat. And since Canva is our customer's favorite tool, we'll demonstrate that one. So we're going to upload it here, and what it will, let me just get it up and running here. Here's our, there we go. So it's uploading, and it usually takes a second. But that gives you a chance to kind of add more elements, maybe swap out pictures, add your cover, everything else that you might need to add. So here it is. And as you can see, it's like we said, it's a no frills piece of software, and it you can make it fancier from here by working with it. But you've already created the basic design of the pages. You could also do multiple journals in the software, and then kind of input those different designs and use them so you have some varying pages in here. So if you go here into the bottom right, it's the grid view, and you could input a new page, right? If you wanted to put in a cover, but we just need to move it over there because that's just the inside blank kind of page cover that's in a book that you have. And I have uploaded previously a cover that I have. And if you need to design a cover, Yusuf also had a great tutorial on using AI tools and Canva to create really nice covers. You will find the link to that video in the description, but also if you continue on, that video will start to play for you after. So I don't think I said what I was doing, but what I had done was I clicked and then I put replace background, and then it formats it very nicely for you there. So we go back here, and we have a bunch of the pages. There is a back page and an ending thing that you can add to. When we did our demo, we didn't write too much in there. We kept it simple, but you could always update it here or add more in the software. So what we have, I'm not going to worry about the instructions because that's, a personal thing, how you're going to do it, but just wanted to draw your attention to the design, the pages, right? So we can see that it probably is a little small for this page. So what we can do is we select everything. All this text is editable when you upload a PDF here. And as you can see, if, all these elements are just layers in here. So if you go to position, layers, you will see all these different elements as something there for you. So in this case, we'd probably want to just stretch it out a little bit. We've selected all of the layers, and then maybe go here. If you need a margin, if you're doing, professionally printed, you'll have to organize that, but we're just gonna imagine we're doing a printable journal. So here you could add your own text, maybe something that looks a little prettier for you. So we could add a heading, and how was your day? And move it up here. Maybe change the font. Let's just go with a typewriting font or something. I don't know if that's the best for this, but let's just showing it to you as example. And then if you change your mind on any of these prompts, you can update them, or if you want to change them for each day, you can do that as well. But what I would say now is that you're looking at this and you're like, okay, well, I changed this size and I've got all these. You probably don't want to do all those there. What you'd want to do is maybe finish decorating this page how you want. If it's a printable journal, you probably don't want to have too many elements on it, because you want people, unless it's meant to be something very pretty and they expect that it to have a lot of color and a lot of design elements, you probably want to keep it simple. So I recently looked for a pretty border. And in the case of a rectangular thing, we probably, you don't want to choose any of these types of things because they won't fit as well. So I just do a little corner border, and I'll put that one there. And then we could duplicate it can perhaps put it up here and rotate it so it's going the way that makes sense. And then we have some cute little, maybe make it a tiny bit smaller so it's not going right into the lines there. So now we have a page that works quite well. You could change the fonts again, do whatever you want. So you probably don't want to, you know, go and change all these pages. So in this case, you would select all when you're in the grid view. I believe I showed that to you. It's in the bottom right corner with the little boxes. So we'll unselect the inside page, the instruction page, and the designed page. And then there's like a black page and a other page. So we'll delete those. And then all you have to do is duplicate what you want. So if you wanted to add other pages, you can always do design pages, you know, add a checklist or something like that. I don't know. You can incorporate that into there wherever, in whatever part of the journal that you want. Or you could take other designs from the journal creator software that you made and incorporate those as well. You just import the PDF and select the page and you can paste it in here and work from there. So lots of great options. Once you have your basic document from the journal creator software, you can make it as pretty and fancy and change it up as much as you'd like.